In the last video, we learned how to purchase WhatsApp. In this video, we will learn how to install WhatsApp. We have received a lot of messages, and we have also done a video guide on this issue. In this, how can we install WhatsApp? Then we will learn one-to-one how to install it. It is quite easy, like you will click on it. After clicking on it, here you will receive the file of Whatsapp CRM in the download sections, and you will check there is the WhatsApp file. We will add the file as soon as we add it. A file will be received here. We do not have to change much on this file. You have to direct it, WhatsApp in Google Chrome. After coming in Google Chrome, you just have to come here. After clicking in the extension, in the Pay extension, you have to click Manage Extension. As soon as you click on Manage Extension, here you will get an option Developer Mode somewhere in the Chrome extension. If it stays off somewhere, you just have to turn on Developer Mode by clicking. As soon as you turn it on here, you have to click on Load and Pack. After clicking on Load and Pack, just click on the place where you had extracted the file. After clicking, you have to go to the folder. As soon as you go, you will get an email section. You don't have to click on the email section. Sometimes what happens is that we click on it and go to the set folder and we click. You do not have to do it here. I haven't clicked on it yet, then I have clicked here, so what should I do? I have to go again. After clicking, click on it again. After clicking here, you have not clicked yet. Without click, you have to click on Select Fold. If you click, you will automatically be redirected to a website. This is the complete panel. This is the complete interface that you are getting here. This is for the reseller in the reseller, as if you want to work with us by selling WhatsApp, or if you have 100 licenses, 50 licenses, if you have taken it, you will get a proper access and you can sell it to anyone. Then if you are using it for personal use, then you need it. Cancel and close this tab. Then once you go to your WhatsApp, it will auto refresh, providing the latest updates automatically. I'm taking my time with this. Once it refreshes, the entire WhatsApp interface will appear before you. Welcome to the WhatsApp Complete experience. This interface has been properly delivered to you. Here are 121 features for you to explore. Simply click on any section to access the features. For example, click on Broadcast, then proceed as needed. Some interfaces were shown to you. It is written here. WhatsApp CRM Premium 2 days trial. Just click on it here. You will not be able to click on the insert of the insert URL as soon as you have made the purchase. After making the purchase, you have to send the screenshot of the purchase directly to this number. After sending it, we will provide it to you. Just you have to paste it here. Go to Normal and click on Activate it. And after that, you will be able to access all its features. And no matter what you have, if there is any issue, can you open it directly on this number? You can do. Well, in today's video, we will learn in the next video how we can use it properly. WhatsApp. How can you access each of its features? How can you increase your sales? You can make your life easier. Thank you so much, guys.